I've owned the Xreal ones for about 4 months now, and in that 4 months, there's been a lot of changes. Some of them are minimal, and some of them are significant. But I'm on a cruise right now, so it's a little loud. But while I'm up here, I brought my extra beam with me to enjoy media content. But in the meantime, I figured I should give you guys an update on what are the new changes and what are the things that are different since owning them from the beginning and till now. And also, the One Pro is not out till March yet, so I know there are people that are still trying to decide if they should go with this or the One Pro. And honestly, based on what I know so far, I think that you should go with. Hold on, stay tuned for this for the rest of the video.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
So there's been quite a few updates since this glasses came out. Some of them are beta, and some of them are actual update that every single person can get. Now, my single favorite update is the ability to have automatic transparency mode. So, for example, if I look over here where I have the display, the glasses automatically turns dark, and when I look away, it automatically becomes transparent, so I can actually see the world around me quite well. Now I'm in the Bahamas at the Ocean Keys, MSC's private island. So it is beautiful out here. But if I wanted to watch something, all I gotta do is just look at the display, and I can see the display very very well. And once I look away to talk to somebody or just look around, it becomes full transparent. Now, the other update, now that particular update is actually in a beta, but the rest of the updates that everyone has access to, for example, when you're on ultra wide mode, now you can resize the ultra wide display, so you can make it slightly bigger or slightly smaller, and then you can also make text sharper, more crisp, or less sharp, depending on what your preference is. You can actually adjust it to where the text is going to be more suitable for you, in case of video editing, coding, or whatever it is that you want to do. You can adjust the text to your liking. Another update is now you have the ability to choose the way you want to scroll your page, right? So for example, if I press the menu button, the default settings is if I press this down button, the page actually scrolls upwards. But now you can go into the settings and choose the way you want your page to scroll, so you can uh, adjust it to however you like. Personally, I like when I press the forward button, the page scrolls downwards. Some people prefer upwards, but you have the option. And what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna either go into your Beam Pro or just go onto your computer and search for an update and see if there's an update available for the glasses. But the sound quality still remains the same. It's still very, very good. The display is still very good. I just really, really love that auto tint function. I don't know if it's easy for you guys or difficult to see, but I would have to check and review. If you're ever in a situation where you want to watch something and there's too much reflection, all you have to, if you have a 3D printer, you can simply print out one of these. I designed it using something on MakerWorld, and um, I forgot the other website, but I'm gonna put a link if you want something like this. I have a 3D printer which I actually use to print it. All you have to do is just simply pop it on like this. Let me show you guys. It goes on really easy, and just like that, it is on it, and it's gonna block reflection from the bottom as well as from the side. So you can actually use something like this at your own private house. You can use it at the beach. You can use it anywhere you like. It's all up to you, but I really like this. It's very, very light. It's about 2 grams at most. So this is another option, but you guys can see how this thing is getting darker and lighter as I switch, as I look away and look back. So yeah, these are the options. But there are also other updates that are regards to, for example, if you are playing video games and stuff like that. I believe there are some update that is helping with connections and stuff like that. I don't really have any console to plug my glasses in, so this is something that you're gonna have to check to see if yours works well now. But other than that, I hope you guys are enjoying your extra ones. If you're still thinking about waiting for the Pro, because of the field of view, because of the wider field of view, I don't think you should wait. You can save $100 by just using this. But if you really, really, really want that field of view, that increased field of view, then yeah, the Pro might be absolutely worth it. But let me show you guys again what it looks like. So I move the display in front of me. As soon as I look away, it automatically becomes clear. And when I look towards the display, it becomes tinted again. That is my absolute favorite feature. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.